The Montana Historical Society kicked off a major construction project in Helena this morning. MTN's Jonathan Ambarian reports.
State and local leaders were on hand Wednesday to celebrate the official start of a long-awaited expansion of the Montana Historical Society.
You know, this is a special day for all of Montana. Montana's made an investment in its history and in its future.
Wednesday's event marked the start of the construction phase on the Montana Heritage Center. The new building, connected to the current Historical Society building, will provide more space for exhibits and better conditions for caring for the collections. Steve Lozar, a Historical Society board member, led a tribal ground blessing ceremony.
Everyone that walks into this place walks in with equality, walks in with a pure heart, and finds what this ground and this place really is. And that's a place of discovery, where we discover who we are, how we connect.
Leaders then turned the first shovels of dirt for the groundbreaking. The Historical Society first proposed the Heritage Center about 15 years ago. After several attempts since then, the Montana legislature finally passed a bill last year, approving money from the state lodging tax to move the $48 million project forward. Now, the first preliminary work at the site will start this fall. The Heritage Center is set to open its doors in 2024.
We have a very rich and proud history, and we'd like people to come visit with their children and grandchildren years from now and be very proud of what they see.
The Montana Historical Society is also seeking to raise about $10 million in private funding to help support the Heritage Center project. Leaders say so far they've raised just over $5 million of that. In Helena, Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.